Fish farming, fish
farming.
Fish farming, fish farming.
Fish farming,
Fish farming, fish farming.
Hello students, hello teachers, hello parents, guardians, hello everyone. Welcome back to Inside Catholic Schools and Campuses. In this video, we are going to learn about fish farming. We all know that fish live mainly in lakes and in swamps, don't we? In our previous videos on this channel, we saw the economic activities that take place on Lake Victoria. We saw that one of them is fishing. We saw the varieties of fish. It's common knowledge that fish live in water, in lakes, and in ponds, as we have said. But in this video, we have something different and something so interesting. I kindly request you to subscribe to this our education and entertaining and youth-friendly project. Your friend Aunt Judy is going to take you to an agricultural exhibition where we're going to learn so many good things, starting with fish farming. Did you know that fish can live and grow at your home, in your compound? In the comments section, please tell us what you know about fish farming. Otherwise, let's go into the video. Fish farming. We hope that by now you have prepared your pond or your tank where you're going to grow your fish. The question is, how do you transport baby fish from the market to your home or your farm pond? This is our expert or auntie who is going to take us through the whole process of fish farming until our fish has grown for consumption and for the market. This blue bucket, call it our pond where we are going to buy our baby fish. We know that taken from the water, our baby fish will die. So how are we going to transport it to our home farm or pond? The expert is saying we are going to package our baby fish in a transparent polythene bag filled with water with a provision for oxygen so that our baby fish doesn't die on the way. We can also transport our baby fish in an aquarium. An aquarium or aquarium is a container with a living environment conducive for baby fish to live. It has water, it has oxygen, it has fish food. So baby fish will think it is in a lake.
Kumbe, we are relocating or transporting fish from one place to another or from the market to our home.
And then after that, we are going to carry our aquarium to our car or our means of transport. These are the fish feeds. They are like seedlings which we throw in our aquarium or which we throw in our pond for the fish to feed on. By the way, how are we scooping the baby fish from the water to our aquarium or to our container? Are we going to dip our hands in the water and we pick the fish? Are they not slippery? Shall we catch any with our hands? Let's see how we are going to scoop the fish from the water to our aquarium, or how we are going to scoop our fish for transportation or for consumption or for the market. Our expert is going to show us how. She's now showing us a fishing netted basket, which we dip in the pond and we scoop out our baby fish or adult fish.
Isn't this amazing?
And what is our dress code? Or what do we wear when we are doing fish farming? Because we know that we are entering deep in the pond.
Our expert is going to show us.
This is what we put on. It's like a raincoat, a complete suit or overall with its own fixed gumboots, because we are entering the pond. Thank you, Auntie Fish Expert, for teaching us. Now let's see how our pond is going to be like. It can be this tank as you're seeing. This is our tank-like pond. Can we see baby fish inside there? Can you see the baby fish growing in this pond? Our pond can also look bigger. Can you see this one on our farm? This pond is dug like a well prepared to give a conducive environment for our fish.